He has been propelled back into the spotlight after Westlife dropped their new song last week. And while Kianegan will be spending a lot more time away from home ahead of the group's upcoming comeback tour, his superstar wife Jodi Albert has been giving pics into the stunning hometown in his native Sligo, complete with an in-house oval dedicated to his hits and a their view. The 38-year-old Flying V2 Twins Hitmaker, wo with Hollyoaks Beauty Jodi, 35, in Barbados in 2009, provid die have an elegant flare for interior design as she frequently shares a host of snaps of the family home, wäre teilweise sonst 7, circa 3, and 16-month-old Kobe. After their many blissful years of marriage and retreats, Kian and Jodi have built a chic home which is a very feature on Instagram as well as many snaps of their boys. One of the standout features of the home is undoubtedly the Ruge devoted to Kian's accolades with Westlife from their Heidi and which is no doubt set to expand further after the hugely successful release of their new Ed Sheeran penned track Hello Me Love, which has swept the charts all over the globe. Seemingly showing the musical genres running in the family, Jodi shared an incredibly swell snap of the running around with drumsticks in hand while also showing Kian's Westlife wall. The festival displayed many of the band's golden and platinum CDs as well as a host of awards including a gong from the now defunct Smash Hits magazine among many others. She added a statue of a Ruge Buddha in their hallway which she often poses in front of with their boys and shows her chic flare for design. A look at their bedrooms of Jodi and Kian's fast headboard which gave a serious sense of grandeur to the royal purple coloring while also boasting a Ruge gold mirror with an ornate frame. Westlife are back with a bang as their first single in 8 years since their was last Tuesday, ahead of their London tour kicking off in May. And ahead of their long-awaited comeback, the Fantastic Four comprised of Nicky Byrne, Mark Feely, and Shane Phelan as well as Kian spoke exclusively to my online about apprehension. The group carried all things reunion, including their incentive behind the tour, the possibility of former bandmate Brian Quaden returning, fears of a comeback and the fact money has not driven them despite former financial woes. Westlife sorry to Fame in 1998 wie ein wäre format in Dublin, wird die Originallinie ob also via Touring Brian, Bolate left in 2004. The group broke hearts of fans around the globe when they announced plans to disband in 2012 before all embarking on respective solo careers over the years. In October, Westlife announced their return with new music and an anniversary tour as Shane revealed. We still have a lot that we want to achieve as a band and we want to bring our new music to fans all over the world. Vite Geran penitelo milo ferelea set last week, te forsumlare blatzing te promotreye vid forze. Viletere has been muchtokov megabucks deals vid Simon Cowell for teretun, te boys insistai vere drefen bit te incentive of giving tire funds te best possible shotai can and not finances. Shane has been candid apud te factat hefelit for bankruptcy in 2012 after investing in a property development in his natives Lego however te property crashed in Ireland, leaving him with no money to build. Despite his worst, te vantare insistent te monies nothing to do with te tour, asquian statit. Vid was nefer apud money, teres no amount of money because it's apud buying a band and bringing a great tour for offense. Apostroph vid tongoes waging antentless reports wieling over te state of tire relationsheap vid Brian, te boys insisted there is absolutely no bad blood.